Everybody for a very special episode on some cocktails that you can add to your repertoire to bring in 2026 with. We have 3 on the table tonight. So Mary, let's start with your selection this evening.
Well, this is one that I learned in Miami for New Year's a couple of years ago. It is basically your mimosa with champagne and orange juice, and it's got a shot of Jack, old number 7.
So it's your standard mimosa, which is orange juice, champagne or sparkling wine with a shot of Jack Daniels.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, which this is about 1/3 orange juice, 1 ounce of Jack Daniels, old number 7, and topped off with your sparkling wine or champagne of your choice. Now the color is a bit off because the one Mary had open was a blush.
But I tell you,
Oh, the citrus notes and those caramel notes are really jumping out.
it will sneak up on you. And they did, because I think,
Oh, that's nice and refreshing.
yes, because I was at an event where they were serving these, and we were in the VIP. So these kept coming, and these snuck up really quickly.
Yeah. All right. Well, I have a couple that I know you have never, ever had.
Okay.
So we'll save the little fancier one for last. All right. This one is called Bourbon and Bubbles. Okay. So you have 1 ounce of your choice of bourbon,
Okay.
2 ounces of sweet vermouth, topped with your sparkling wine of your choice. And optional, you can garnish with a twist of lemon if you wish. But
Smells nice.
let me know what you think.
That's a little tart.
A little tart, slightly dry, but still refreshing. Not quite tart to, like, let's say a cranberry, but
But a
very
berry-ish.
delicious. That'll get you in trouble. Both of those will.
Yeah. And these could go, either one of them could pair with any type of finger foods that you would serve, charcuterie. It's a cocktail that could go with anything and everything. Both
yeah.
of them.
Absolutely. This one is called a cranberry orange whiskey punch. Let me shift this down. All right. This starts off with 2 ounces of the whiskey of your choice,
Okay.
2 ounces of cranberry juice, 1 ounce of fresh orange juice, over ice. You just add them over. Add in an orange slice and fresh cranberries to garnish. As a little extra, I added in a sprig of fresh rosemary to kind of accentuate everything for the season.
It kind of comes across, this would have been a good Christmas one too.
It could be for Christmas, but it also makes a great New Year.
The rosemary kind of gives that
A little lemony, piney.
piney. Yep.
Yeah.
That one's definitely drier and sweeter.
I'd say it's a lot sweeter. Not really dry.
It's dry
But
to the taste buds.
but it's light. And that one having the most alcohol in it.
Oh, be careful. Be very careful.
You better be very careful. Now, I will say this. This is optional, the rosemary. So, Mary, how about you go into it now without the rosemary and tell me how does it come across? It should be lighter and fruitier.
Well, it definitely took that earthy scent off of it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You definitely get that orange note.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm still finding that to be a little dry on the palate.
I have to disagree with it. I find it very light, but yet sweet and refreshing. And the fact that this has 4 ounces of alcohol in it.
Oh, that one's...
I do believe, no, I'm sorry. It's only 2 ounces. My bad. All right, so this one actually would have the most in it because that's got 1 ounce of whiskey and 2 ounces of vermouth.
So it's 3 ounces.
So this is 3 ounces.
And this is got 1 ounce, I guess, of...
And then whatever with the sparkling wine. So, I mean, it's varying degrees of alcohol in these. But either way, all of these are light, refreshing cocktails that would liven up your New Year's celebration for sure. And, you know, with the cranberries on this is optional. You can also add in cherry if you would like for a little extra sweetness.
Ooh. Some Luxardo cherries.
Yeah, the Luxardo cherries. And you could even add in some of the syrup to kind of boost that sweetness if you like a little sweeter cocktail. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us on this very special New Year's Eve episode of Poor Decisions Pairing. And we hope you have a wonderful, wonderful New Year's celebration. And we cannot wait to see you guys back here for more episodes in 2026. So until then, cheers.